mortals are capable of change, and humanity is worth saving. Our people, forging through the trials of the end times, deserve a second chance. We are worthy of a new dawn. Hyacinth.
Yes! Solibus? Lunibus?
We are here, Hyacinthia.
We are here, Miss Hyacinth.
Give me your strength. I've made my decision, and we stand resolved. For all that mortals have built, I will follow the guidance of the prophecy and claim the core flame of the eye of the children of humanity have returned from the earth, and we will challenge the skies once again. This time, I will not be overwhelmed by the darkness of humanity. Face us, Avatar of Sky! Undefeated rivalry. Take life. She will remember this.
I'm on it.
Please cherish this wish. Undefeated rivalry. Embrace a new life.
It's a long way down. Let's end them before we crash into the pool of gold!
Trust him. Do anything!
Of dying here with you! Titan! Melted to nothing! Are you still protecting us?
Is it all over now? Zeliosi condemned humanity, casting them into the pool of gold. In the end, she too was...
Take that core flame with you, Hyacinth. Our mission isn't over.
Core flame of the sky, come with me. It's a strange feeling. It's so warm and powerful. Holding it in my hand, it feels like the winds of this world might turn for me. Summoning thunder or snow is just a thought away.
I understand how you feel, but right now, this platform is on the brink of collapse. Who knows how much longer it can hold? We need to find a way to leave. Look, over there. No idea, but we have to take a gamble. If the prayer can rewind the shattered platform, then we might ride it back to the entrance. And also retrieve Aglaya's amulet. We can't delay any longer. Everyone, move quickly.
The golden thread is trembling.
We're out of time. We have to retrieve it. Partner, quickly.
Lift the curtain of memory.
Stir up ripples of past reverie!
The prayer's power! No! Come on. We have to get out of here.
I shall have my final bath in warm and radiant gold. From here on, Finan, you shall embark on a journey with no return. Light fades, only to await the sun's rise. One day you will step forward, not out of fear,
But to return the dawn to this world. It's right in front of us. This way! Behind! That door leads outside! There's got to be a path! Everyone, hold on tight! No time for speculation! Run!
The Titan! Their core flame has already... Could this be Zeliosi? been taken, yet they still move. Lady Seliosi, is that you? What do we have here? Eternal. Witness humanity. This gentle storm. Awaken! Seliosi!
Breaks over.
Embrace a new life. Life is not so fun. Return to dust. Witness humanity. Please check darkness with me. Every petal, all will be swept away by the wind.
We must bring light to these dark times!
With just a glimmer of light, I'll be able to pierce through the clouds.
Use mine, Hyacinth. I am the one who bears the world. I am the blazing sun destined to rise!
The flame still upon us. The healing rainbow. Chasing fire is coming to
Children of humanity, you have overturned the judgment I once cast in disillusionment. Beginning with a lie disguised as a heroic legend passed down for millennia. A grand epic of creation has been written. You are worthy of a new dawn.